whatever. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, I'm helping Colin's channel out. This is the second time I'm doing it. You'll see me a lot because I live down the street. Well, I live down there, and there. And I will be, don't show my house, stupid. And subscribe to my own channel. It is Tommy Whelan. I'm better than him, obviously. Now let's go. Me and Colin were working on trails for days. Alright guys? And that is dangerous for your tablet.
Sorry, guys. I can't see anything. Put it there.
See, get down low and hit the arm. Get down low and hit the arm.
Let's see.
First you gotta do it like Nike. Some fresh people try to FaceTime me, but they always try to Skype me. Got it. I'm gonna show you.
Right there.
So throw it to me. Oh, damn it. That was right in front of him.
I know. Our first few videos might be shaky because we don't have anybody to record with. I'll be the recorder.
If you guys know us and you'd like to be our video recorders, please tell us now.
Leave a comment in the below if you would like to help.
If you know us. This is basically just a game of catch. How we like doing. Huh?
Now it's a game of scrimmage.
Oh. Oh, that was dirty.
It makes me look.
What'd I tell you?
You're trying to fall. Yes, you are. I did it for you. I would do it for you.
God. Oh. Oh, this is horrible. Go stop it. Go stop it. Go stop it.
Oh, I can't.
I have a dead leg.
It hurts me so much.
Go turn it off.
I can't.
Go turn it off.
I would do.
Get the football.
What?
Where's the football?
Under that truck. It's up near your tire. Oh.
I'm gonna crawl. I gotta turn it off.
No, this is gonna be funny for the viewers.
Oh, I gotta roll. Oh. Oh my God.
It might be a while.
Oh. This is called turtle racing. Dead leg people.
Yeah.
I'm
getting really dirty.
I think I can tell.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh.